Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi and I'm your host. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you easy steps in achieving a brown smoky eyes without spending all your time doing your makeup. Like if you're in a hurry, just need 30 minutes, you're ready. And I paired it with a lip gloss. You can literally wear it with anything you want, but I love lip gloss. So please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I just did my brows off camera just to save time, and I'm going to be using the Professional primer from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm going to be using this concealer corrector palette from BH Cosmetics. It looks like this. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 400. Distribute this all over my face, and I'm going to be using my Sigma Kabuki brush. So after blending everything, I'm going to be using this W7 concealer in medium to highlight my face, while I use the Nutmeg foundation from Black Opal to contour. Blend out the contour. And blend out my highlight. I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty setting powder. Then for eyeshadow, we are going to be using the Hudabeauty Topaz eyeshadow palette. I'll be taking this brown eyeshadow. So I'm just trying to accumulate enough pigment. Then I blend out the edges. Taking this, I'm just going to apply that above the brown eyeshadow. I'm just blending in everything. I'm using my kajal. I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to apply this blue liner under my waterline, and I'm going to be using this highlighter from it.XOXO. This is the La Peach highlighter in collaboration with Canon, you know. So I'm just highlighting my cupid's bow. Zikel palette, going in with this blush. Just gonna smile, you know. I'm just going to take like a normal brow pencil and line my lip. Then I'll be taking the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in cocoa bean. Then to seal the deal, we're going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in watermelon.
Niger is